What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick review of my inshore offshore setup, starting with one of my biggest reels, man. This is my 309. I like to take offshore for kings. In 309 minutes, it's been through some ups and downs, man. I had it on the back of a truck and I dropped it and it just messed up the casing, but you know what? A little super glue does the trick. Made that work good. I already caught a king with it. That's the first reel of the day. I like that with the little pin, Long Beach, medium heavy rod. Not too bad. Very inexpensive. This combo right here, if I had to guess, is like $65 to $85, somewhere around there. It's nuts. Pretty old, man. Pretty old. Next, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys my Rhino RBC XL, which I got this off of fishing off a pier. I was fishing for trout one night, and this is what I spooled in. I reeled this in, and I went and had added this Tidewaters medium heavy rod. This is also another king reel I use for offshore. And then we got a Pin Pursuit 4000 I just recently picked up. And this reel here, it's awesome, man. Spools just enough line, got some 30-pound braid on it, on a medium heavy ugly stick. You know, $65 right here. You got yourself a good combo. And then we're gonna move on to our inshore reels, man. Inshore reels. Here's we got our bait caster here. Abu Garcia Rebel SX, man. I went through two of these already. First one I had, it wouldn't lock, so I took it back, got a new one, and now it's perfect, man. I've only used this one actually like 3 or 4 times because we focus so much on inshore that I haven't really, you know, done the inshore fishing. I've been doing offshore fishing lately, so look at this, man. I like this medium heavy rod I got on it. Got some bend on it. It's a good reel. Now this rod and reel combo is like $350, so this, I take very good care of my reels, man. Do not want to lose this, don't want to get it to rust out or anything. We got to keep that good. Alright, next up is another inshore reel I use. This is my reel I use mainly for fishing the bottom because it doesn't cast very well. It's kind of old and ears and everything is kind of like just rusted out. You look in there, it's all corroded. Even though I've tried to clean that out, it just won't. I mean, that's just what salt water does to your reels. But it's my Abu Garcia Ambassador, man, 5500. So this is a pretty good reel. Got it's a medium heavy ugly stick, and it's also got some broken rings. But it's what I use. You know, nobody notices the rings until I tell them. So pretty good. I like it. It's one of my favorite reels with the 10-pound mono on there. Alright, that's my reel setup. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys walk through my kayak now. For my offshore setup now, when it comes to what I take offshore, I just take a simple crate with some bungees and a little lid I got. It's all bungeed down. It ain't going nowhere, you know. I take a box with they're all waterproof. Got 2 waterproof. One with my jigs, the other one my weights and hooks, and then I got one small little box in there. See it? Got one small little box that's just straight top waters. I like to throw. It's pretty simple. You just reach back and get it, open it up, and you can. That's my little top waters and all my other stuff I use. I don't know the specific names for them. I just know I just go to the Walmart section and buy me stuff that costs $2.50. My rattle traps and everything else I got in there. Spoons, all rusted out. That's what I carry in my crate. I carry 2 pool holders actually. Got one with all my king rigs and extra spare leaders. And then we got our handy dandy little rig set up here. Pretty basic, man. Just get this hook as I go to the rig. I hook up, and then of course the rope would be longer. I just extend it and I put this and that's just my floats. You know, in case I let it go, I know where it's at. Just hook it up to the side anywhere in the kayak. That's fine. That's what I use for offshore. And then up here in the front hatch, we carry a fish bag. Pretty simple, man. Pretty simple for offshore. You just need a fish bag, some nice reels, and a set up, and you're good to go. My Magella Outdoors fish bag actually smells pretty bad today, but that's where all the fish get taken, man. Right there. Goes perfect in this front hatch, the Pescador Pilot. And then for the gear and filming equipment that we use, here is my Hero 4 Silver, which I like it a lot actually. It's just I never thought about it, but it's touchscreen and it's not waterproof, which if I'd have known that before I bought it, I probably wouldn't have bought it. I would have went with a Hero 5, but that's what we got to work with for our front view. And then we got our Hero 5 that is waterproof and very expensive, but it does the job. Like that. It's also touchscreen in the back. And let's see, we got on the side of the kayak, we carry a Hero Session. This is my underwater salt grease, because, you know, salt water ruins everything, but yeah, that's my underwater camera. And then I got a pair of pliers just sitting up here. That's about it for what I carry. My front two hatches here, very useful. Just throw just about anything you want. I mean, I wouldn't put anything that's not waterproof in there because the water does come in, but just throw anything in there that you need. That's how I set up. And also, we go into like my rod holder design. Alright, when you're offshore, you want to have rod holders. You could easily just mount rod holders and have your rods sticking straight out or putting them underneath the seat or something, but I decided to make this like this, that way if I'm fishing inshore, rods can go up here, you know, fish comfortably. But for offshore, you want them facing out, so that way when you're dragging your lines, they're not within like a foot or two apart. You know, you got them within like 10 feet apart, so it keeps you from getting tangled. And I only take 3 offshore, 2 inshore, and then I got my little gaff here. But notice I have everything strapped up, man. If you don't have your stuff strapped up for offshore fishing, you know, a lot of things could go wrong, and trust me, you do not want to lose your money due to flips or accidents that could have been prevented. Let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about this kayak now. The Pescador Pilot, man. This is the newest model of it. I like it. Everything works good. It's a nice kayak. 12 foot, and it comes, when you get it, it comes with only one handle, which I installed another because it's just a pain in the ass to try to be able to move it without 2 handles. And then these rings here, I don't know what it is, but I think it came defected, or is it just like I don't know. I had to change them out. It had some other rings on there, little cheap rings that literally when I got them, when I unboxed the kayak, when it got shipped to me, first thing I noticed was the rings were all messed up already. I said, nah, I'm not taking that out, so I put some key rings. That's what I changed up right off the back. That's what I put on my part there. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty good. The kayak is pretty, you know, pretty good. I would recommend it to somebody else, man. It's a nice kayak. Pedal drive, same thing. So, you know, it just sits here. Got a pin that goes through it, and it's just pretty easy to access the pedal drive. You know, when you need to pick it up, all you gotta do is pull the pin out, pull your thing out, and just you know, line it up. It lines up with these little grooves here, and once you know where the pedal's at, you just pick it up. And then that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and let's get